Hello everyone, my name is Yiğit. I will be showcasing my second Unity project created as a part of the CMPE 485 Introduction to Game Programming course. In this project, I have created a maze-like environment with multiple paths and challenges. As you can see, the game starts with a user-friendly menu screen where players can begin their journey. Once in the game screen, players navigate through the maze like that, encountering obstacles and traps along the way. The objective of the game is to reach the end of the maze while avoiding guards and traps. Player must also collect the key and unlock the door to complete the game. Throughout the Throughout the gameplay, players are timed, encouraging them to complete the maze as quickly as possible. If the player falls into traps, they are directed to the game over screen. Here you can see. Success is also celebrated with the game win screen, signaling victory of the player. Here I will show you like that. Overall, this project demonstrates my skills in Unity game development from skin creation to gameplay mechanics. Let's begin to the game with main menu. Here I start the game. First, there is a background. I can close it with this button. And also in the keyboard, we can control it with M button. Let's begin with play button. Here you can see there is a timer on the screen also. If I collide it, I will game over. So with X key, I open it again and then I pass. This is a guard. It's moving. If I pass in front of it, I will game over again and I open it again. Sorry, this time now I pass. This traps also. If I collide, I will game over. So I pass it this time. I'm now I know the maps, so I'm guessing, but here I can show you the other display. This is the overall maze. The total maze platform is very complicated normally, but I'm expert of it. Now now oh, maybe I copy where I am. Okay, I'm closed. I open it again. Sorry. Okay. It's very hard here. Okay, I found now. Okay, right now. So, oops. Okay, this time I'm past the trap. I'm very close to the door. Maybe I will win the game. Now, yes, I win the game. I win the game. Thank you for watching this video. See you again.